What's up, YouTube? Today we're at the boat launch and I wanted to get a quick video out, show what we're doing today. Some of you are going to be really excited for this. Others are gonna laugh. I'm gonna laugh. But we are gonna test out the 300SX today. So I'm gonna basically try and pop right into it. Okay, so it doesn't look like it's taken on any extra water. That was just residual water from rain or whatever, I don't know. But it sits pretty level, a little bit heavier on this side. Yeah, the back sits really high. And there's a lot of weight in the front, especially with the gas tank being almost, what, halfway full there. So we're gonna see how she goes. I'm gonna cut. All right, I wonder if I'm gonna be able to hold this. That answers that question. Hell no. This thing got some power. She starts right up though. Good healthy engine. What's the best way to go about this? I want to try and get the water to flow. But I also don't want to run it to shore. Alright, we'll see how this works out. Turn down the idle a little. She's a little high. I think I turned it down that much, but that.
What GoPro is that?
The brand new one.
Well, I guess you like it then, huh?
I was gonna get an Insta actually, but I guess the quality is not as good.
For me, it's all about how long.
How long what?
Like how long the battery lasts.
You can get extra batteries with this, and they're like $30.
Oh. So how long of a video can you do on one battery on the charger?
I honestly don't know. I've never really needed to know that.
Like if you were to go for a motorcycle ride and you wanted to record the whole thing.
The whole thing? Quite a while, and you could plug it in too.
Okay. Yeah, because I know the one I used to have, I like sent it back because it had like an hour.
Yeah, I'm not sure on this one actually. I thought I saw something like 5 hours, but I could be completely wrong.
Good. 5 hours would be awesome.
Yeah, I'm not sure though. I could be completely wrong. All right.
Brand new one, I wouldn't doubt it.
First time on a stand-up jet ski. And I made it. Shit. How long were you recording for? Yeah, I don't know if I was recording though. I thought I hit it. I thought I was. Shit. Yeah, that one was really good.
Yeah.
Besides the one time when it stopped turning on me.
Yeah, it's gotta be working to learn how to ride it.
Yeah, for sure. Dude, that's gonna be so fun when I can figure it out. Huh?
I've mastered pulling up to the dock because like, it was perfect and I just took my hand out and grabbed it.
Alright guys, so we tested out the 900 swapped 300 SX. Didn't go great, didn't go horrible. I'd call that a win. Didn't sink. Out of breath. For the most part, it ran good. What else do we got that's good? It held water. With same thing as didn't sink. But what else? Oh, sorry. Held water. It didn't. So it didn't run as great as I wanted, or would have hoped for. Something's up with the fuel. I'll have to look into that. It could just be the plugs are fouled because of so much oil in the gas tank. So maybe that's it. when I get it back home, oh man, I'm out of breath. That was so fun and like nerve-wracking, and holy crap, does that have a lot of power. Like, it can jump right out of the water. I'm like I'm not skilled enough to do that, but it's got some power. Like nervous, shaking. Yeah, it was super fun. Glad to have it in. It looks like the motor mount worked decent. When the engine was idling, I was checking that out. Looked pretty decent. The steering cable sucks. So I gotta figure out something for that, because it would like get stuck, like the cable would bend and get stuck in one spot, and then I couldn't turn one way. I don't know, one of the ways. I still also don't really know which way to turn which way. Like, I think I keep trying to go left, but I don't know. I think I'm doing like the opposite of what I should be doing. What else? That's pretty much it. We're gonna start her up on the trailer to clear out the water, and I will record that. Yeah, it is. It sounds so good though. I love it. Alright, so we're back home, and the front plug, we got a little rich, I'd say. One side seems to be darker than the other. I know you're supposed to do this right after running it, but I didn't really have time for all that. This one's a little rich. This one looks really rich. So I'm gonna lean this one out a little bit on both the high and the low. I'm gonna lean these two out a little bit on the low. So then we'll kind of see where it's at. I think it'll be decent. I got one of these fancy screwdrivers from Amazon. I don't know if you have one of these, but if you don't, you should get one. Especially if you got one of these stupid things. Because I'm just able to, I think, get these in here. We'll see. But I'm going to cut because I don't feel like recording all that.